Hi, welcome to contractors.com. In this session, let us see how to issue tenders to prospective bidders, collect bids from them, compare them, and how to print a contract after finalization of a vendor or a contractor. This is a fairly simple process and can be done using the action button. Once you are done editing with the fields, you can preview the document and check if it is as per your requirement. Also, before sending the document to the bidders, it is advisable to print a PDF and check if the layout is fine. Any discrepancies or formatting issues in the printed document can be corrected at this stage. Once you are satisfied with the layout as well as the content of the document, you need to go back and open the tender. Go to the action menu and click on the invite bidders. Here you can select the bidders to whom you wish to send the tender document. The closing date of the tender and the vendors to whom you are sending the document has to be provided here. The list of vendors shown here are those who are already registered on the site. However, if you wish to send it to someone who is not registered on the site, you can do so by going to the My Contacts menu, then go to the Invite Users tab and invite users by clicking on the Add button. This will bring up an invitation form where you can fill in the details of the bidders and send an invite for bidding. Once you have sent an invite, the document gets locked for editing and you cannot make any further changes. The status of the tender also changes to published. The editing options are now no longer available and they are replaced by buttons for cancelling a tender, viewing a list of bidders, or to review the response of each bidders. However, once published, you still have the option to extend the tender date or to cancel the tender or send invite to new bidders. Here, on clicking the bidder button, it will bring up a list of bidders to whom you have already sent the tender document. In this area, you can communicate with the individual bidders and respond to their queries. These communications or the tender queries can be printed if required and be made a part of the tender document. After the closing date, it is no longer possible to invite bidders or to withdraw tenders or communicate with the bidders. Also, the bidders will no longer be able to submit any bids after the closing dates. Similarly, on clicking the response button, you can view the bids submitted by various bidders. The received bids can be compared and analyzed using the analysis button. In the next session, we will go through the process of bid comparison, analysis, and finalizing of a suitable vendor, a contractor, or a consultant. Thank you.